If you're a millennial and you feel behind in life, like you're failing or falling off schedule, there's a chance you're actually doing better than you think. The problem isn't you, it's the version of success you are taught to chase. We were told success meant more money, more status, more grind. Do that long enough and happiness would eventually show up. But a lot of people followed that plan and ended up burned out, anxious, and exhausted. So millennials didn't give up on success. We changed the rules. Old success looked impressive. Big titles, long hours, no breaks. But it came with a hidden cost. Stress became normal. Rest felt like weakness. And life was always postponed until later. Millennials started valuing different things. Time over money. Mental health over hustle. Autonomy over job titles. Meaning over empty status. Not because money doesn't matter, but because no paycheck is worth constant burnout. Success stopped being about impressing people and started being about building a life you don't want to escape from. I know someone who left a job everyone admired. On paper, it looked like a downgrade. Less money, less prestige. But they slept better. They had energy again. They stopped dreading their own life. By old standards, they failed. By new ones, they won. This shift isn't about being lazy or unmotivated. It's a correction. Millennials watched what constant grind did to people we care about. We decided success shouldn't require self-destruction. And once you see that clearly, there's no going back. So if your life doesn't look impressive online, but feels more real offline, you're probably doing something right. What did you stop chasing once you realized it wasn't worth it? Drop it in the comments. And there's another video waiting for you right here.